The first step in our electrical component wizard will be to define all the faces of the component. This is used to help orient our model. To start, click on the Define Left, Right, Top, and Bottom Faces. This will automatically open our Define All Faces command. And here we will want to select our faces. Note here that the faces are defined such that we are looking at a front view. So in this case, our left face would be on our left side, our right face on our right side. Then we can select our top face, and finally our bottom face. Notice each of these faces populating our face commands, and we can double check that these are coming in correctly. Once we are happy with our selections, we can hit the green check for OK, which will automatically finish the command and reopen the wizard.